9 months. 9 months have passed since we have last seen you. We did not leave you by choice, but we must abide by the same moral boundaries that set us apart from those we condemn. We failed, and so we accepted a vow of silence for that failure. We have sat in the shadows, and we have waited, but tonight we will no longer stand idly by. Tonight our vow of silence will be broken. For tonight we must be the voice for the silenced. Tonight we must stand for those who cannot. Tonight we will seek justice once again. But on this night, like the stars, our light returns, in the presence of darkness.
Although we find the anonymous ideals both dated and boorish, we are contracted mercenaries after all. And they just happen to offer the one thing that we simply could not refuse.